Most cruise passengers think the only free things on board are the buffet, the pool, and the evening shows. But the truth is, cruise ships are full of hidden perks and free extras that most people never discover. From complimentary drinks to secret room upgrades, these little-known benefits can save you hundreds of dollars and make your cruise feel way more luxurious. By the end of this video, you'll know more cruise secrets than 99% of passengers. While others are waiting in long buffet lines or paying for things that should be free, you'll be enjoying quiet lounges, free treats, and special privileges, all without spending a cent. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, because I always share real cruise tips and insider hacks that the cruise lines never talk about. And make sure you watch till the end, because the last one on this list gives you VIP level treatment that almost nobody knows how to unlock. All right, let's get started with the 25 free things you can get on your cruise if you just know what to ask for. 5. The priority boarding shortcut most. People think that to board early, you need to pay extra for priority check-in or have elite status. But there's a simple trick. Arrive near the end of the embarkation window instead of the start. Here's why it works. Early in the day, check-in lines are long and staff take time verifying everything. But near the end, their main goal is to finish boarding quickly. So you'll often walk straight through security, check in fast, and go directly onto the ship. By that time, your room is usually ready and sometimes your luggage has already arrived. Pro tip, arrive 60-90 minutes before final boarding. Dress neatly, smile, and be polite. Small gestures often get you big results. Free beach and pool towels. Forget packing bulky towels. Cruise ships always provide them for free. You'll find towel stations near the pool deck, by the gangway before going ashore, and even inside your room. You can take these towels to the beach for snorkeling or shore excursions. The only rule? Bring them back. If you forget to return them, the ship might charge your onboard account. Pro tip, always return towels to the same station you picked them up from. It keeps your record clean and saves you from unnecessary charges. There, free specialty coffee in the morning. Here's a great secret. You don't always need to pay for a latte or cappuccino. During breakfast hours, many ships quietly serve specialty coffees for free at the buffet or breakfast stations. Baristas are often there to keep the line moving, and they'll happily make your drink at no charge. Pro tip, go early when it's calm. Staff have more time to make your coffee just the way you like, hot, fresh, and strong. 2. Extra blankets and pillows. You'd be surprised how much comfort is available if you just ask. Many passengers don't know that they can request extra pillows, a thicker blanket, or even a mattress topper to make the bed softer. A pro tip, ask your cabin steward right after boarding. The earlier you request, the better your sleep will be for the entire cruise. Free port shuttles. When your ship docks, you'll often see paid shuttles charging to take passengers into town. But here's a secret. At many ports, the local port authority provides a free shuttle service, not the cruise line. That pro tip. Always ask the staff at the gangway if there's a complimentary shuttle that day. And go early. Free buses fill up fast. 20. Win free prizes from activities. Cruise activities aren't just for fun. They can also win you prizes. Many trivia games, scavenger hunts, or deck contests give you points that you can exchange for cruise-branded gifts like t-shirts, hats, mugs, and tote bags. But pro tip, check your daily activity planner for games marked with special icons. Those are the ones where you earn redeemable points. 2. Hidden saunas and steam rooms. Here's a spa secret. Some ships have free saunas and steam rooms hidden inside the fitness center locker rooms. They're smaller than the paid spa areas, but they offer the same relaxing heat and steam without costing a penny. Pro tip, bring your own towel from the pool deck and go early in the morning when no one's around. 8. Free fitness and wellness classes. Most people think fitness classes on cruises are paid only. But every cruise usually has a few complimentary sessions, like stretching, morning yoga, dance lessons, or walking groups on deck. Pro tip: join on the first or second day. The earlier you go, the fewer people attend, and you'll get more one-on-one time with the instructor. Hidden loyalty perks: if you've cruised before, your loyalty status might already give you free perks, like laundry, internet minutes, drink vouchers, or dining discounts. But here's the thing: these aren't always automatic. You have to ask guest services for your full list of benefits. Pro tip: always check before your cruise and again once you're on board. Each ship and sailing can offer something slightly different. Free casino lessons: when the ship is docked, casinos close by law. But that's when many offer free gaming lessons for games like blackjack, roulette, and poker. Pro tip: go early, sit near the dealer, and ask questions. The dealers love teaching, and you'll feel confident when you play later. Fifth, free souvenirs at port talks. Those shopping presentations before you reach a port often include free items, tote bags, keychains, or jewelry vouchers. Pro tip: arrive a few minutes early and sit up front. Sometimes the host gives out extra gifts to guests who participate or ask questions. Free behind-the-scenes tours: before cruise lines offer their official paid ship tours. They often run small complimentary tours for early guests, sometimes of the galley, bridge, or backstage areas. Pro tip: check your cruise planner or visit guest services on the first day. These tours fill up within hours. Free seasickness tablets and first aid: if you ever feel seasick, don't buy medication at the gift shop. Guest services or the medical center usually provide motion sickness tablets for free. They also have bandages, basic first aid items, and sunburn gel. Pro tip: ask early and keep a few pills handy, especially on sea days. Plus, crew-only invitations friendly. Respectful passengers often get invited to small crew-only events like talent shows, galley tours, or casual gatherings. These are not official, but they happen often. Pro tip: be kind to the crew and always say thank you. They remember genuine guests and might offer special invites. Free room service. Breakfast: you don't have to go to the buffet for breakfast every morning. Just fill out the room service card the night before, hang it on your door, and you'll get continental breakfast for free. Things like pastries, fruit, coffee, and juice. A pro tip: choose the earliest time slot for quiet delivery and fresh food. Free laundry on long cruises. If your cruise lasts more than 10 days, you might get 1 or 2 free laundry days or credits as part of your itinerary. It's rarely mentioned, but it's real. Pro tip: ask guest services early and plan to wash mid-cruise so you can reuse clothes. Off-menu dining options. Many passengers think they can only order what's written on the menu. But you can often ask for special dishes or repeat favorites, even from a previous night. A pro tip: tell your waiter or maitre d' early in the cruise about your favorite dishes. They'll often surprise you later with something special. Double loyalty benefits. During program changes, when cruise lines update or change their loyalty programs, you can sometimes receive benefits from both systems if you ask politely. A pro tip: keep an eye on program updates and mention them during check-in. 7. Suite level freebies. If you're in a suite or mini-suite, don't assume all perks come automatically. Some luxury benefits like daily canapes, special room service, or private dining require you to request them. A pro tip: ask your room steward or butler on day 1 what complimentary amenities your cabin includes. Eco and sustainability. Perk's many ships now reward passengers for joining eco activities like beach cleanups or recycling programs. You might receive certificates, reusable bottles, or exclusive gifts as a thank you. Pro tip: check with guest services or the environmental officer to see what's happening this voyage. Free ice cream and gelato. Everyone knows about the buffet ice cream, but some ships serve premium scoops for free at pool bars or snack counters. Pro tip: visit mid-afternoon when it's calm. Crew often add toppings or extra scoops for friendly guests. Free champagne at special events art auctions. Jewelry shows and gallery previews often serve complimentary champagne or cocktails to make the event feel fancier. Pro tip: ask at guest services when the next event is and arrive early to grab a good seat and a free drink. Digital concierge and app shortcuts most. Cruise lines now use apps where you can message guest services, book dining, or request maintenance. These digital systems respond faster than in-person lines. A pro tip: mention birthdays or anniversaries. The system often tags your booking for special treatment. Free extra desserts. If you're kind to your waiter, they'll often bring you extra desserts or off-menu treats just for asking nicely. Pro tip: be friendly, smile, and compliment the food. Small kindnesses lead to sweet rewards. The secret VIP treatment. This one's a favorite. If you tell the crew you're celebrating something, like a birthday, anniversary, or honeymoon, they often surprise you with free champagne, dessert, or room decorations. Pro tip: mention it when booking and remind your steward when you board. It doesn't always happen automatically, but it works more often than you'd think. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.